Hi, my name is Galvin Kennedy, and I represent hundreds of nurses around the state of Texas who claim that they should be paid for their meal periods because they remain responsible for the health and safety of their patients. One question that often comes up in these cases is what happens when the hospital is automatically deducting 30 minutes for every single shift? In other words, the nurses don't have to clock out for lunch and then clock back in for lunch. Instead, the hospital presumes that sometime in your 12-hour shift, for example, you found 30 minutes to eat. When in reality, what often happens is they might find 5 minutes or 10 minutes to take a quick snack, and that would be called a rest break, not a meal break, and there is a big difference under the law. Under the law, a person who takes a rest break that lasts 5, 10, 15, less than 20 minutes in general, that's a rest break, and the law says they're required to pay you for that time. It's when the period gets substantially longer that it potentially could count as what's called a meal period or a lunch period. But if you're simply just having a sandwich on the run, which is very often the case from what we've heard from nurses around the state of Texas, then that is more likely a rest break, and the hospital should pay you for that. And if they're still automatically deducting from your pay for every shift the 30 minutes, which is the common practice in hospitals we've investigated, that is a violation of the law. Those are rest breaks, not meal breaks.